Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows 11 on 8th generation Microsoft Surface laptop. So let's start with language selection. Select the one you feel comfortable with, as you're gonna have to use it for the rest of your time with this laptop, and then click continue. After that, you're gonna have to select the country or region, and once you select the proper one, click yes. Next, select the right keyboard layout or input method. If you want to add several ones, you can also click add layout on the following page, or just skip and proceed to network connection step. So on the following page, you're gonna have to click connect next to the Wi-Fi network, next to your Wi-Fi network, of course, and then enter the password to it. Once you're done, press enter and wait until you are connected. Once you are, click next, and then wait for a moment. Your device will check for available updates, and most probably will restart. Once the update check is finished, we're gonna have to review the license agreement and accept it to continue. Then if you want to, you can give a name for your device, or if you want to, you can also do this later in settings and just click skip for now. After that, your laptop will start downloading and installing the updates that it found during the previous minutes of checking for updates. So now we're gonna have to wait until the updates are installed. Usually this process takes up to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. So let's just wait until the updates are finished so that we can continue our setup, and make sure that your device is being powered during this process. Okay, so once the updates are finished, let's sign in. So we're gonna have to enter our Microsoft account data. Let's start with the email address. Press enter and then enter your password, or enter the code from your email, which you can receive by clicking send code in the bottom right corner of the screen. Press enter and wait until you are fully signed into your account. Then if you want to add your facial model to unlock your device using your face right now, you can click yes setup, then look directly at your camera while your face is being registered, or you can skip this step for now by clicking skip for now and do it later in settings. Then create a PIN code for your account by clicking the respective icon in the bottom right corner. We're gonna have to enter this PIN code twice. So enter it into the first field and then confirm it in the second one. Click OK when you're ready. After that, choose the privacy settings for your device. So we have privacy settings like location, for getting location-based data like directions, weather, news, etc. Find my device to let you find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data for sending data about your device's usage to Microsoft. Inking and typing for sending data about inking and typing on your laptop to Microsoft for research. Personalized offers for personalized ads. So if you want to disable some of them, switch the toggles to the left, click accept, and let's continue. Okay, so now if you want to restore your device from the backup, you can click continue. If you want to set it up as a new device completely, click more options, and then click setup as a new PC, confirm, and after that we'll still have a bunch of additional settings to set up, but let's wait until we see them. Okay, so next we can customize our experience by selecting one of the available, or not one or more of the available presets, but we can also do it later in settings, and I highly recommend doing so, since after you finish setup you'll have much more time to get to know more about each of these presets specifics. And so let's skip for now. Then if you want to connect your smartphone to your laptop, you're gonna have to scan this QR code if you're using an Android device, and if you're using an iPhone, then just skip this step and do it later in settings. After that, if you want to back up your smartphone photos from your gallery on this, I thought that there would be something else. So if you want to synchronize your Microsoft Edge data on this laptop, click accept, otherwise click not now. And then we get the first offer from Microsoft. Let's click decline. Let's decline the following offer. And that's it. The Windows right now is fully set up. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.